Good morning and good afternoon to one and all present here. I myself, Snehashri Mukherjee, an admission officer of Education Research Center. I welcome you all to this 4th International Conference INFES to 2022. I welcome all the academicians, research scholars and students present here. It is an honor to be a part of this international conference, and my special thanks to Honorable President Sir Professor Dr. Rituraj Saikia and Honorable Vice President Ma'am Professor Dr. Pratiksha Ma'am. I hope you all will have a great day today and enjoying all these conferences, and my best wishes to all. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much for such a wonderful and vegan course, Nancy, and our best. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now I would like